Hi everyone, I'm Bree the Plant Lady and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to take your abundant tomato harvest and turn it into the best sauce you've ever eaten. Step 1, wash your tomatoes and then core them. Then you'll put them into your food processor, chop them up, and they'll be ready to hit the stove. As you can see here, what I have are just raw food processed tomatoes. I didn't take the seeds out and I did not eliminate the skins. All of the nutrients are there. Leave those in. Now what I want to do for this sauce, I'm going to add 1 onion, 5 cloves of garlic, and a handful of red peppers. Then I'm going to season to taste with a little bit of cumin, salt, and pepper, a dash of olive oil, and I'm going to just let it cook on my stovetop for the next several hours. Just gonna add this chopped up mix of garlic, onions, and peppers to the tomatoes. And I've got that on high heat. I'm gonna bring it to a boil and then I'm gonna let it simmer for another probably hour or 2 hours. Kind of sampling it as you go. The longer you cook it, the more delicious it is. Now, a lot of times I actually drain the juice out of this before I cook it. And that's great because then you can use the juice for Bloody Marys. But today I want to have more of a thick sauce. And once I get this cooked, I'm actually going to hit it with an immersion blender to make it really thick. Just like the kind of tomato sauce that you would buy at the grocery store. So my final step now is just to add some seasonings, and I'm just going to keep it really simple. Salt, pepper, and cumin are usually my baseline, and then if I want to add some fresh herbs later on as I'm cooking, I can go out into the foodscape and gather that. Just want to stir all this together, and then I'll put the lid on and let this cook, bring it to a boil, and then I'll just let it simmer. Immersion blender is one of the greatest tools that you can have in your kitchen. It's not something you're going to use every day, but when you do use it, it is so effective. You just put it in. Look at that amazing creamy consistency. As this boils down, this is going to be perfect sauce. You can see this sauce is boiling, so I have reduced the heat and I've taken the lid off and I'm just going to let it cook down and simmer for the next hour, maybe hour and a half. And then it'll be ready to serve for dinner.